What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Polygonians, we're going to go over Matic. We bounced right off our $1.17 level of support. Currently, we're sitting at $1.24. We're down almost 4%, 3.5 on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 8.2 billion. 24-hour volume is 701 million. Let's hop straight into it, guys. Matic, here we are on the 1 hour chart. So we invalidated our bull flag pattern, so I'm going to take this out, guys. Sometimes that happens. You have a fake out, falls back into the pattern, loses the support, and invalidates it here. So we can take out our targets. Hope you're well, guys. Hope that the pets are healthy. So you can see we came down to $1.17 and we bounced. Now we're not out of the woods yet, guys. We did come down to oversold on the RSI, but what can happen here is we get rejected by the EMAs. So we need to get back above the EMAs if we're going to see any kind of continuation here. If we look here on the 4 hour chart, we've just printed the bearish cross of the 20 underneath the 55. So if we fail here to get above about $1.25, then what can happen is we get rejected and we lose that level of support. Now we do have some support coming in around $1.10. Someone in the comment section mentioned that yesterday because I was talking about that $1 level, and he said there's also support right around $1.09, $1.10. He's right. Support here. This wick came down. We have some support in this area, support in this area as well. So if we do lose $1.17, do target $1.10, $1.09 is your next level of support. However, guys, if we were to bounce here, if we were to see some volume step in, as I have been saying, and we got back above the EMAs here, your next level of resistance, it's basically the previous swing high is right here at about $1.29. Previous level that we've been covering on the channel, you can see all the support in this area now would be flipped to resistance here. So that would be an important level to get back above if we are going to see continuation up to $1.54 here for Matic. Sorry guys, still have these on the 4 hour. So we'll take a quick look at Ethereum, but first, big shout out to today's video sponsor, Crypto.com, my favorite app for investing. Incredible benefits, including their Visa card, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives. You get cash back in crypto every time you use your Visa card, whether it's at the store, the movie theater, or if you're out on a hot date. All right, guys, they also have Crypto Earn. You can earn incredible interest on staking your coin, 12% for USDT. You get 6% for Crow, the native coin. You get 6.5 for Ethereum. Incredible interest on staking your coins. They've recently partnered with the UFC and are being broadcasted across the globe on the UFC jersey, as well as on the Philadelphia 76ers jersey in the NBA. So Crypto.com is growing rapidly. They're spreading their name across the globe. It's an incredible opportunity to get involved. Grab yourself one of their Visa cards and receive $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So let's look at Ethereum, guys. We can see Ethereum is still looking quite strong. We had our bearish divergence. We came pretty close to oversold, and we bounced off the level of support here from our symmetrical triangle. We're creating a little bit of a double bottom. As you can see here, we created a bottom, second bottom. So if we were to come up and break this neckline, we could see a nice little breakout here for Ethereum that would take ETH back up. A little measurement here. Take Ethereum up here to about 3845. So do keep an eye on that double bottom. However, if we do get rejected here, we do roll over, and we were to fall out of this pattern here, we do have a technical target for ETH, which would bring it down close to this level of support at 3036. And then of course, if we break out to the upside here, we start heading up to that level of resistance at 3989. I had been talking about Bitcoin and Bitcoin dominance in my ADA video. Please check that out, guys. We are having our bearish divergence here. So if we do fail to break above 57.5, that's when we could see a back test of support. Of course, it would pull the market down, but if we do break this level of resistance, that's when we can see that continuation. But we are seeing a rise in the Bitcoin dominance. So do keep a close eye on that, because when the Bitcoin dominance is rising, altcoins suffer. Bitcoin is outperforming the alts. All right, guys. So we need to get back above $1.21 here and back above the EMAs. If we do get rejected, do target $1.09 as your next level of support, and that strong level of support down at $1. We have had the bearish cross, guys. So the bulls would really have to step up here to get us back above $1.29 and head up to $1.54. for Matic. All right, guys, that's it for this one. If you want to trade Matic, sign up to Bybit. Grab your bonuses, $50 for your first deposit. and up to $600 in bonuses. My favorite platform for leverage trading. You can check out the Discord, over 1,000 members talking all things crypto. All right, guys, see you in the next one. Peace. Much love.